What's up, guys? Christopher Ramirez coming at you with another review video, and in this video we'll be talking about a push notification tool called PushPrime. Now, is this push notification tool for you? Okay, if you're currently doing email marketing, there's a lot of competition in the inbox. Okay, with people not opening their emails and click-through rates going like just tanking. Okay, so push notification isn't new. It's something that just gets more reach. It's just outright, it gets more reach. So go ahead, if you are thinking about picking up PushPrime, go ahead back to that email that you just got about it. Just pick it up, all right? If it's not for you, I'm sure they have a refund policy, the vendors, if it's not for you, so it's really, I can't really be the one to say off top that that's the case, that they have a money-back guarantee, which I'm sure they do. So go check and see, all right? But push notification, you can't beat it. It gets more reach. It gets more engagement. It has higher click-through rates, and therefore you get more sales. Okay, you can't beat that. You get more sales, all right? So after saying all of that, and you've made it this far to the video, which I'm glad you stuck around for 1 minute and 17 seconds on the dot, there'll be a link in the description on a program, okay, that'll help you to increase. You can take your business to the next level. You can go ahead and click on, all right, go ahead and follow the prompts, and take control of your financial future. Let's make this money. Peace.